I like squares, and I used to like circles and pencils because they go like this. And now I like triangles because they eat it like this. And also Mrs. and Misters. I like to mama. And I like to rub and rub and rub. And yesterday, I farted in math class. It was all quiet in the classroom, and all you hear in the back of the room is... So everybody turns around and looks, and then Lucio asked Genesis, did she just fart? And she said, I don't know. And then Mr. O'Keefe actually thought I farted. And so did Miss Flanagan. How do you say her name? Flanagan. Yeah. And so, I raped Marvin Hercules twice when we were switching from ELA to social studies. He was up against the wall, and I banged him on the wall and made him sing like Whitney. And I was like, rub, and then I humped him in the back, and then, what else did I do? I don't know. Squares.